This one here is a WooCommerce Orders page, and today I'm going to hack it. And if I mean hack it, I mean hack it a lot. So if you're interested, then jump in, because it's gonna be a fun ride. What I'm going to show you is how to create a custom order statuses, for example, in progress like the one here. I'm gonna show you how to filter orders by user role, by coupons used, or payment methods. Also, I'm gonna show you how to add order again and cancel button, and how to display purchased products on your WooCommerce Orders page. And this is just the beginning. There are a bunch of cool hacks here, which means let's get started. Now, a couple of things I need to point out. First, all the snippets I'm gonna show you today, take a look at the description of this video. There is a link to the blog post that contains all the code. And second one, you can add all those snippets into your child theme's functions PHP file, or you can go to the plugins, add new, search for code snippets, this one here, install and activate it. This one allows you to add all the codes to the site, and you don't have to worry whether the snippets are active in case you change your themes. So code snippet is another option, but there is also a third option, and this one is WP Codebox. This is my favorite code snippet manager. This one is a premium plugin, but it allows me to save my snippets to the cloud. I can choose what kind of snippet I add here. I can choose the condition. For example, if I add the snippet, I can add the condition to show it only for specific product categories. For example, if I add a snippet, this one works only on accessories product category pages. Previously, I have made a thorough review video about the WP Codebox. The link to this video is in the description of this video. One more thing, as I said, it's a premium plugin, but if you take a look at the description of this video, there is a nice 20% discount coupon for you. In this video, I'm going to use Code Snippets plugin. So I installed it and activated it. Now I'm gonna go to the snippets and add new. And first thing we are going to do is that we're going to add a search field on top of this admin top bar. So let's give it a go. Give it the title here, paste the snippet. Now choose only run in administration area, save changes and activate. And there you go. This is our search field here. Let's test it and let's enter a order number here. And boom, there it is. Let's test another one. And it works like a charm. So first hack is done. Now let's go to the orders page. With the help of the next hack, we're going to send a custom reminder email for WooCommerce On-Hold orders. So if the order has been placed, it has on hold status, then 2 days after placing the order, the email with a reminder will be sent out. Once again, let's go to the snippets, add new, give it the title, paste the snippet, run snippet everywhere, save changes and activate. And a couple of things for you to point out. First, this one here is days. At the moment I set it up for 1 day, that means 24 hours. If I would like to set it for 2 days, then I'm gonna add 2 here, and so on. This one here is your email content, so change it accordingly. Nothing else to configure here, so if you did not already activate it, then save changes and activate, and you can close it down. And now it's time to create a custom order status. So let's create a new snippet, give it the title, paste the snippet, choose run snippet everywhere, save changes and activate. And now if I go to the WooCommerce and orders page, you'll see that I have an in progress status here. I can set it to whatever order I would like to do it. So for example, this one here. It also shows up on the front end. So if I refresh it, you'll see in progress here and in progress here. If you would like to change the titles, then go to the snippets, open it up and take a look. You have to change this text here, this one here, also this one here, this one here, and those two here, this and this. You can give it whatever title you want. Now let's go back to the orders page for a while. And as you see, Currently we can filter only by dates and by registered customer. I would like to add some custom filters here. Therefore, I'm going to go back to the snippets, add new. And first filter I'm going to add is I'm going to filter WooCommerce orders by coupons used. Once again, give it the title, paste the snippet, only run on that administration area, save changes and activate. And if I open up the orders page, you'll see that there is a filter. If I choose this coupon and filter, then every order that contains this coupon will be shown here. This is the first one. Well, let's add another one here. This time I'm going to filter WooCommerce orders by payment method. Paste this snippet here. Only run in the administration area, save changes and activate. Refresh your orders page. There you go, all payment methods. And choose this one here. For example, display only direct bank transfer related orders. There you go. Now I'm gonna add another one here. This time I'm going to filter WooCommerce orders by user role. Once again, I'm gonna paste this snippet here. Only run in administration area, save changes and activate. Refresh. And what do you know? There it is. Display all orders by administrator, for example. There it is. By customer. And there it is. And with a bit of copying and pasting, we added 3 custom filters here. Awesome, isn't it? Now let's once again choose a coupon here. And as you see, there is an order with a coupon used, but on the orders table and in preview, there is no way for us to see what coupon was used. Therefore, I'm gonna add a new snippet here. Give it a title that is display used coupon on WooCommerce admin orders list. I'm gonna paste the snippet. Only run on administration area, save changes and activate. Open up orders. And you'll see there is a new column called coupons. If no coupons has been used, then there is said so. But if the coupon has been used, then you'll see that it appears here or here or here. Now I'm gonna create another one here. That is, I'm gonna display used coupons on WooCommerce order preview template. I'm gonna paste the snippet, only run on administration area, save changes and activate. I'm gonna refresh the orders page. And now if I click on the preview icon, then I'll see that there is a coupon used for this order. Which means we can conclude this part and move to the next hacks. Now since we're already messing with the order table columns, let's add another column here. And inside this column I'm going to display customer email address and customer phone number. Give it the title, for example, display customer phone and email in orders table. Paste the snippet, nothing to configure here, so I'm gonna choose only run in administration area, save changes and activate, open up orders page. And what I'll see is that there is a phone number and there is a email address here. Simple yet effective. If you don't need to display one or the other, then just comment some parts out. For example, if you don't need a phone number, then comment out this part here. Save changes, refresh, and there is only an email address here. Simple yet effective. Next I'm going to create a custom button up here, and it will take me to the products page, and on the products page there will be a similar button that takes me to the orders page. So I'm gonna add a snippet, give it the title, custom button on orders page and products page. Now I'm gonna paste the snippet and couple of explanations here. This first part adds a button to the orders page, and the button text is go to the products and it will take me to this link. You can customize it if you would like to take it to the dashboard or WooCommerce settings or whatever. Just rename the text here and change the link. Second part is basically the same, only it will add another button to the products page. So once again, I'm going to choose only run in administration area, save changes and activate. I'm going to refresh the page. And you'll see there's a button, go to products. I'm going to click on it. It will take me to the products. And there is a button, go to orders. And I'm back here. And this means it's time to move to the next hack. In order to demonstrate it, I'm going to log out and I'm going to show you what happens by default if I log in. If I log in, I will be redirected to the dashboard, but I would like to be redirected to the orders page, this one here. So in order to do that, I'm going to create a new snippet, give it the title, for example, set default WooCommerce login page to orders. Now I'm going to paste this snippet, nothing to configure here. I'm going to run it only in administration area, save changes and activate. Now I'm going to log out and let's test whether it works. Yeah, baby, it works like a charm. So a couple of hacks to go before we finish with the backend and move to the front end. So what we're going to do next is, if someone places an order and it has a processing status, it will auto-complete it. That means there will be no processing status. There will be completed automatically. So how to do it? Easy peasy. Go to the snippets, add new, give it the title, Autocomplete WooCommerce Processing Orders. Paste the snippet here. And next time, if someone pays with a PayPal, for example, or Stripe, then instead of setting the status to processing, it will be set as completed. But now what if you would like to autocomplete all orders, not only processing orders, but also on hold orders? Well, let's give it a go. Give it the title, Autocomplete all WooCommerce orders. Paste the snippet. Next, choose run snippet everywhere, save changes and activate, and let's test it. I'm gonna go to the site, add something to the cart, go to the checkout, choose direct bank transfer. By default, this one should set the order status to on hold. So it's good to test it out whether it's on hold or is it completed. So order has been placed. I'm gonna go to the orders. And yip, as you see, the status is not on hold, it's completed. This means we're done with the backend hacks. Now let's move to the front end. I'm gonna go to the My Account page. I'm gonna open up the orders. And if I open up the order, you'll see there is no images for the products here. I would like to display the product image on the orders page. And in order to do so, I'm gonna go to the snippets, add new, give it the title, add images on order view page, paste the snippet. This one here is a image size 50 pixel by 50 pixels. I'm going to choose only run on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh. And yeah, there it is. Which means we can move to the next hack. That is, we're going to add a tab here. The tab is called Purchased Products. And if I open up the tab, it will display me the products I have recently purchased. Back to the snippets, add new, give it the title, paste the snippet, run snippet everywhere, save changes and activate. And now take a look what happens. If I refresh it, it appears here. But if I click on it, then oops, that page can't be found, error appears. This means I have to go to the settings, permalinks. I'm gonna just resave it. And now if I click on it, then there you go. Those are the products I have purchased recently. As you see, the snippet explanation says that all products are sorted by date. And if there are no purchases, then this text here is displayed. Next, we're going to move back to the orders page, and I'm gonna add some buttons here. First, I'm gonna add an order again button, and then I'm gonna add cancel button. As before, really easy to accomplish, so let's add another snippet with the title Order Again button. Paste the snippet. If you would like to change the text, then change this part here. Only run on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh, and there you go. This button will be displayed only for orders that has been completed. And if you click on it, it will add all the products to the cart, and then you can go to the checkout. Next, let's add another button. This time it allows us to cancel the order. Show title and the snippet. One thing for you to point out though, this one here, set the delay in days. I'm gonna select the delay as 3 days. That means within the 3 days it's allowed to cancel the order. Only run on site front end, save changes and activate, go to the orders. There is no cancellation button because no orders within the 3-day range has been added. So let's test it out. I'm gonna go to the shop, add product to the cart, go to the checkout, select direct bank transfer, place the order, go to the My Account page, orders, and there you go. As you see, this one here is on hold and there is a cancel button. If I click on it, your order was cancelled. Message appears here, and this one displays status cancelled. If I go to the orders, the same appears here. Nifty solution, isn't it? Couple of hacks for us to go. And first of those is that, as you see, there are a bunch of orders on this page. If I would like to set the limits for the orders that are displayed here, then I'm gonna go to the snippets, add new, give it a title, paste the snippet, and here I will set the limit to 5. So only 5 products per page will be displayed. I'm gonna run it on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh it, and boom, only 5 orders here, and there's a navigation I can use. This way you can customize it as you like. Next one, I would like to display product name and quantity in a new column somewhere here. So I'm gonna go to the snippets, add new, give it a title, paste the snippet, it will create me the columns I need, that is for product name and quantity. I'm gonna run it on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh it, and done. There is a product and quantity. As you see, it displays it really well. If there are more than one products, then both of those are displayed with the quantities. Next hack is also a nifty one. As you see, I have 3 users here. 2 of those are customers. Let's remember this email here, customer@email.com. Now I'm going to open up the site in a private window and I'm going to place an order. This one here and this one here. Go to the checkout, and as you see, I'm not logged in. It says me to log in, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give it a name and fill all the fields. Add this email, customer@email.com, place the order. It's done. But the problem is that if I log in and go to My Account page, then under the orders, it says that no order has been made yet. So I would like to link WooCommerce guest orders to customer account after the registration. Let's see how to do that. I'm gonna go to snippets, add new, give it a title, paste the snippet, nothing to configure here, run snippet everywhere, save changes and activate. Next one, I'm gonna go to the users. I'm gonna delete this one here. Next, I'm gonna go to the site once again, and once again, I'm gonna create an order for this demo user. I'm gonna fill the fields. I'm gonna add the same email address here. Now I'm gonna create an account. place the order, go to the My Account page. I'm already logged in. If I open up the orders, you'll see not only the order I created right now, also the order I created a couple of minutes ago. Both are here because with the help of this snippet, we link those orders together. So these were the 20 hacks I wanted to show you today. Before you go, take a look at the screen right now because there are 2 videos I would like you to see. Those will contain a bunch of other similar hacks you can use on your site. Now, if you find this tutorial helpful, then press thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.